Hello and welcome to New Parents in Training. So today I got another subscription crate from KiwiCo. This is the little driver. So this is the Koala crate that we have a subscription for an entire year. So this is month number 4. I have reviewed the previous 3 months. Some of them are really good, some of them are a little so-so. But overall, I kind of get my son really engaged with playing with this kind of STEM related toys. So this is really helpful to get my kid really trying to discover new ideas or new things or new sensory, so to speak. So anyway, this is the month number 4. Now, previously, every episode I'll show you how to get this on the cheap. So if you do an annual subscription, obviously you're not going to pay any shipping every time the crate gonna come in. But there are more ways for you to save even more. So I'm going to talk about that right after I do the unboxing. So you can follow that along. If this is your first time here in our channel, please consider to subscribe and hit the like button as well. So anyway, let's open up this one, the little driver. Learn the rules of the road and with a plate steering wheel and interactive map. Okay. All right, so this is the Discover little magazine. I think this is really great for parents to read over. There are some Q&A on here, answer some of the parents' questions. There's also instruction on how to engage your kids with playing with the toys. And this one, this is the little driver. This is the actual instruction, like how to play the toy. Oh, cool. All right. So we have something similar at home that's like a steering wheel. We got the Paw Patrol one. So he really liked that one. So this one, we're gonna see how he will like it. Now, the stuff is mainly made out of cardboard. So if on the environmental sense, this is very environmentally friendly. But for the longevity, I'm just not quite sure. It looks like very easy to get crushed. This Kaylin Adventure book. So every month we get one of this book, and my son really enjoyed this. So much so that he take all 3 previous books to bed every night. So this is his 4th collection, and we're gonna read to him at nighttime before he goes to bed. So let's see. Oh, we got stickers. And I guess it's the road map. It's also made out of cardboard. But yeah, gonna figure out how to engage him with this. And we have a little wooden car. And so this is it. Alright, so this video is not sponsored by KiwiCo, although it's not sponsored by them, but I do have a referral code for anyone who sign up for KiwiCo and get $10 off their first purchase. So this is one of the way that you can save more is use the referral code. I'll put the code down in the description below so you can go check it out. Now, another way that you can save is by having an extension that install onto your browser. Now, I have Rakuten, I have Honey, and I also have the American Advantage. Now, what I have found that all 3 of them has some sort of either discount or cashback. The one that gives you the most is Rakuten with a 7.5% cashback. Now for Rakuten, I'll also put the referral code down in the description. So if you use it, you will actually get a $30 cashback when you first sign up. Yeah, it's a great way to save more if you shop a lot online to use Rakuten. Now, Honey, on the other hand, it doesn't give all that much. It's 1% to 3%. So it's quite low compared to Rakuten. And the American Advantage, this one gives you airline miles. Now, for this one, you get 7 miles per dollar that you spend. The cashback system is a little bit better than the getting miles, especially for those of you that doesn't fly. If you do fly, then maybe American Advantage is a better deal. My thought about this particular crate was very appropriate, meaning that my son right now is in the age that he's really into cars. Like he's seen me driving, and every chance that he get that he is not buckled down in his car seat, he always like to get into the driver's side and pretend to be driving the car. He even know what car keys are for. So that was something that he always liked to play around with. So when this crate came, I thought it was very appropriate. So KiwiCo is a little bit hit and miss every now and then. Some crates came, they are very high in playability, and some are not. When this crate came, when I saw the concept, I really like. But then when I saw the material that they use, it's all cardboard. So my initial thought was, oh no, my son is gonna play it for a little bit and he's gonna break it, and it's not gonna last for long. But surprise to me, even though it's made out of cardboard, but my son is being very careful with playing with this. I'm not exactly sure why. Maybe it's the whole card concept that he really liked, enjoyed, so he wanted to preserve it as long as possible. So the first gameplay is involving with a board. It's kind of like a map. Once you open it up, they give you a bunch of stickers. Now these stickers, you can peel it off and rearrange however you see fit, especially to have the kid to place them wherever on the map itself. So we have like ice cream shop, school, playground, park, library, post office, fire station, and even a house. So the whole concept is you place the sticker on top of the map and you pretend play using the little car, wooden car that they provided. And they even have slides to traffic signals turn red to green or green to red. So it's really cool to have this pretend play where you can start it from your house and then, oh, let's go over to the ice cream shop or to the post office to drop off some mail. Once you are done with the one set of combination of where all the stickers located, then you can rearrange to a different configurations. Then you can play all over again. It is quite cool with the first board. You can rearrange all the stickers. Now the second gameplay here is called the road trip. So this one is really cool. So you have the whole steering wheel made out of cardboard materials. So the kid can use the steering wheel to turn and he can see where the car is going. Oh, we are heading over to the fire station. Oh, we are heading to the post office. And even have gear shift that you can change gears while you are driving. And I think my son really enjoyed the AC and heater slider. He always liked to move to the AC and he go like, oh, it's freezing, it's freezing. So yeah, it's actually really fun. And also they have the keys. Now, I don't know about you, he always liked to grab my car key. And it's kind of scary at times because he might have it in his hands and he go outside. And I'm really afraid that he might drop it on the ground somewhere and then we lose the car keys. Now with this, he get this wooden car keys. I have no issue with losing this set of the wooden car keys. So there are a lot of playability with this set of crate and it's very enjoyable compared to all the other ones. My initial thought was he's not able to play long because you're going to break the cardboards. But so far it's been a few days and every day he's been playing it and nothing had happened. And also surprisingly, like he usually take the stuff that he really liked to bed. He took the steering wheel to his bed. Now, granted, he doesn't actually sleep with it. He just have it nearby the bed. So sometime when he wake up, he will able to grab it and start playing with it. So I am really surprised at how my son really enjoyed this particular crate. So anyway, if you have any questions, comment down below. Until next time, bye.